Why are you worshipping Krishna, Balaram, Gaur, Nitai? Anarthas. And which anarthas is very powerful? Hridaya Dhruvalya. Weakness of our heart. Hridaya Dhruvalya is very powerful. Aparad tendency is there. Asat Trishna, Hridaya Dhruvalya, Aparad, Tattva Brahma. 4 major defects we have. You may have knowledge. This is like sword, but you have to sharpen it. You understand? You have to sharpen it by serving spiritual master. And there Prabhupada mentioned about Balaram. We want help from Balaram because we are conditioned souls. We have unearthus.